welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to build up a e-commerce landing page, and you will show that to build up our new project, which is going to one of the biggest and elegant and on one of the most interesting ones. We are going to create this build up this website. Then you will show that just refresh your browser and simply, and you will show that in the background images and loaded of the next section, like include here, like that. Once again, then it will be automatically change now background. Okay, then you will again refresh. Nicely. So after 1 second or 2 second later, then it will be changes background effect automatically, and you will show that. And after 2 or 3 seconds, then it will be show automatically. Okay, then in this here, like that, and you will show that background color change automatically. And when you will come back in your cursor in this here, then cursor button automatically change. Okay, so this is nice, and you'll show that iPhone 12, and really it is interesting part. Okay, so this is, and actually here is the on a slider, like that. Click this here, then if you want like this, then it will change automatically. And when you will come back in your in the below, then you will show that absolutely here, like that. Okay, I chose it this, and just now by now. Okay, so this is amazing, and it's really interesting. And you will show that another slider here. If you want choose this, and just click this here, and just click this, and I choose it. Okay, just select it and just buy now. Okay, so this is really interesting. So here you will show that airport, and it will be learn more and buy now. Okay, so this section is the footer section, like that. You will show that Apple, and here airport, iPhone, and airports, and that's it. And like copyright issue, and your webccodecamp in your company names or year. Okay, so this is our project, and it will be really interesting for our beginners and okay, so today I'll finish this tutorial, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. And if you want to like to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel, and I hope see you soon in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. So let's go, just create this. Just I simply click here, and I'll simply put here image and or CSS. That's it. And just simply I click here, just simply type here CMD, and you will show that it will open your Windows operating system, Windows system administration, like that. And just type here code dot, and it will be open simply your VS Code. And so at first I have created build a project, and I have created new folder on this inside of this project, like that. Create here, just simply type here new folder, and simply type here JS. Okay, then we'll create in the another file inside of your project. Simply type here index.html. Okay, that's it. And so let's go and open this project, and simply type here exclamation, and that's it. And you will show that your Visual Code Studio automatically extra feature give you. Okay, so I will cut it and I will show it in another um, system like that. You will simply type here HTML code, HTML, and simply you will click this HTML5. Okay, so I will change this in the title, full e-commerce website. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to calling them in their HTML style link of dot link. Simple click here, just a link, and just type here CSS and style.css. Oh no! At first, I will create this inside of the CSS folder and simply click here. Just I will create another folder like that. Style dot another file just like this, style.css. Okay, that's it. And simply I will come back in the index.html file, then simply type here style.css. Okay, that's it. And now I'm gonna creating this inside of the body tag, and just a link up of the javascript, and just type here src and select this, just a js, type here. I have created in the inside of the js folder, and I'll create another file, this dot app.js. Okay, that's it. And just type here app.js. Okay, that's it. So at first let me I'll just I'm gonna showing to you how to build how to say set up your extension like that, css snippet, and you will simply install this css snippet and js and css formatted. Okay, okay, that's it. And okay, so I'm going to bring in the more link in my in the inside of the index just HTML code, and just I'm going to use font awesome icon, and simply I'll go to Google and simply type here font awesome. Okay, then you will show it first link in the cd and js.com. Then obviously you will click this first link and simply copy this link. Okay, then you will come back in your index.html file and just simply paste it here. Okay, so that's it. And at first open this link, obviously. Okay, then you will copy this, and then here you will paste it here. Okay, alright, finally I'm going to run this project successfully here. Just simply refresh it. Okay, so change it here like that, apple to apple. apple.com. Okay, so that's it, and just simply refresh in my browser and to reload this browser. Okay, so I'm going to run this project. Obviously this is a running project now. Okay, so before we move on, let's place browser into text editor. Just simply come back in your browser, simply come back in your VS Code and type here this link. Okay, okay, so as usual we are going to build this project section by section, and in this video I will create this first section, and it includes couple of different parts like this slide show and carousel slider show, and in the inside of the background changing in the automatically, then in this another javascript functionality. Okay, so like the slider and background images and the also the cube. And I'm in this section, and just simply first section where just I'm going to create the menu bar section and this link up. Okay, so there are parts will be kind of the complex like that. This is the complex in this here, this is some of complexity for this. First of all, I'm going to take care of the rest of the parts. Okay, so after that we will create this as well as, and let's go ahead and start creating markup. Okay, so let's start the code. I'm going to create this neighbor section. Okay, so and this is our project. Okay, so this is empty, and I will come back in the VS code like that. Here at first just a link of your CDN and shortcut icon. Okay, so inside of the images then you will show that icons, and you will show that home.png. Okay, then you will show it. Okay, so at first I'm going to creating in this inside of the body tag. Then just I will create this div dot container. Okay, that's it. And simply inside of the like that section 1, then section, I just simply complete this comment this line. Okay, section 1 start. I will design this website in the step by step and section by section. Okay, so that's it. And just here I will use it in another logo like that. Plus name will be logo. Okay, that's it. And here I will just simply hashtag, use it hashtag. So inside of the anchor tag, then I will use of the icon tag. Okay, icon class like that, I dot fa apple. Okay, so that's it. And it's really easy. Just use before the fa hashtag, then apple, then you will use it before and fab. Okay, you will use it anchor icon tag inside of the anchor tag. Okay, so that's it. And refresh your browser simply. Okay, you will show it uh, apple icon is here. Okay, so that's it. And it's really awesome. Okay, then I will create inside of the container, then create the neighbor. Then I will just simply comment this line, neighbor start. Okay, that's it. And inside of the neighbor, then just I simply click neighbor dot class name equal is the neighbor. So that's it. And simply will click this enter. That's it. Obviously I will click this anchor tag of the list, just a dot class name will be neighbor link. Okay, so simply click this enter. Just at first I will link up this just section 2, and it will be just um, iPhone Pro 12. Okay, so that's it. And just I'll simply copy this line and paste it here more times. And just simply I will change this. I'm gonna change this section like that to 4 and 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's it. And simply I will change this here name like that, Mac Pro, MacBook, Book Pro. Okay, then I will change it again here like that, watch. Okay, so I hope you will understand this section like that, airports, and obviously mm, you will this make this design by this project. Okay, you will see this like that for project and get idea, and how can you make a design in this your project. Okay, so just simply refresh it and you will show that uh, iPhone Pro and MacBook and watch and earbuds here. Okay, so you will show that here. Okay, so that's it. So just simply I will comment this line again, and just simply I will finish this never finish, never ends. Okay, I will simply comment this line. Then here we will start a like that cubes. Here you will show that at first cube, then text. Okay, just I will minimize this browser and you will show that in this, you will show that two part. Okay, then just simply one part is cube or carousel slider, another part is text. Okay, inside of the main container or main div, and part 2 like that and like that. Okay, so that's it, and I hope you will understand this design, and you will get an idea in this tutorial. So at first you will design in this like that navbar, then you will design another section like that cube, and I will simply comment this cube start, and simply I will comment this line. Okay, then I will give this another div, and div name will be div name will like that cube dot wrapper. Okay, it's sorry, it's not a dot, it will be just like that has. Okay, so simply click this enter, and div dot cube, and div another class name div like that font site SID. Okay, that's it, and I hope you will get an idea. For actually I hope you will get an idea actually for inside of the main body and main container, then another div, then another div. Okay, so like that, inside of 3 div. Okay, so I hope you will understand this code, and yeah, it's really easy, and I hope you will easily find it and find out this design. So inside of the front side, then I will use it and another image like that image, and obviously we will show this design here like that. Again you will see this like that, this is the another div, and here will be another div. Okay, so inside of the this image section area, and it will be text section area. Okay, so I hope you will understand in this tutorial. Okay, so I will minimize this browser, and simply I will increase this in my VS Code. So I use it like that images slash iphone.png. At first I will use and this like that iphone.png. Here just I will use it in the another name, just simply simply I delete this or empty. Okay, so it's don't worry and don't matter, it is. So at first in the front side, then I will click this like that back side, div dot back side, okay, that's it, and I will use it inside of the back side, and I dot icon like that apple to discuss about this cube wrapper and cube, and that's and front side inside of the back side. Okay, because this if when we will show this side, then it will be like that navbar, then slider section area, and you will be show the carousel area and text area inside of the background image area. Okay, this is the last, this is not a simple design, it's like that complex. For that, the rest of the part I will discuss about this and how we'll make it design like this similar way. Okay, so at first I will create this first section like that navbar area. Okay, so here just previous video, just I will just I have finished this line in the like that far and apple. Okay, so I'll just now I'm going to start in this line like the back side. Okay, so I hope you don't miss this any sentence. Okay, or any coding of line, any single of coding line. Okay, so that's it, and just now here and just inside of the div, just I'm going to create another control section like that div dot controls. Okay, then just I will use it dot class name will be top x, then control. Okay, that's it, and exactly which place just now I'm going to create this area. Okay, then you will show that inside of the container, then you can show it, you will show it like that, this and this is an image, and this is the text, and this is another button, and this is the controller section. Okay, control section. For that, just I will build this backside of design, and then I'll make it just like that style.css. Okay, so start now, then simply I'll copy this line and I will paste it here many times. Okay, so that's it, and I'll paste it here more times like that. 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will be 6 times. Okay, okay, just simply I'll skip this video, just I will change this it. Okay, okay guys, so just I simply just I change this name just like that, fast and fire arrow down, and fast fire arrow left, right, then arrow down and arrow up. Okay, just simply I will refresh in my browser and you will show that what happened in this area. Okay, so you will show that up, arrow down, and left, right, down, up. Okay, so this is the mainly of our this control section area. Okay, so you will show that. Okay, so that's it, and it will be really interesting, and this design is really awesome. So now just I'm going to get this styling this. So just simply I will give this styling.css. Okay, so inside of the style just I will come back in the style.css. At first I will create this import URL like that font or some Google, and simply I will go to in my browser like the Chrome browser, and just simply type here fonts.google fonts.google.com. okay, so that's it, and simply type here, and you will show that fonts type which like that which fonts do you want and do you like it, and just I simply click this roboto and I just select it here. Okay, already select this, not problem. Okay, and if you want like this, click this, so import here and just copy this from import and just style dot. Okay, so that's it, and you will come back and in the style.css and just simply paste it here. That's it. I will give this a link in the video description. Okay, description below. So at first like that I will comment this like the common style is, and simply I will comment this line and select element and simply type of margin 0 and padding will be 0, padding 0. okay, then box sizing. Okay, so that's it. A box sizing will be border box. That's it, and you will know that list title, list style type. Okay, so that's it, and simply click this here and it will be none. Just simply type here none, and outline will be none. So okay guys, I hope you will understand this common style. Yes, just I'll skip this style and like the enter of the common style, and it will be obviously similar to the another template or another website, and this is the like that outside of your website element design. So you will use it, and if you want like that more color and more design, then you will add simply add it here. Okay, so and like that center it will be always display flex and justify content center and align item center. So this is basically this is the simply um, common stylish of elements. Okay, so just I'm going to stylish the rest of the section. Just dot at first I'll create this section 1 and simply I'll comment this line. Okay, so it will just go section 1 start. Okay, that's it, and simply I'll give this section 1, and obviously you will notify your class name just like that. I will for type of class I will give this here. And just simply I'll simply change this like that 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that's it, and just simply I'll give this style in this section 1. You will show that just like that previous video. Just I was simply for mistake it here, just that section 1, and in this video just I will add this section 1. Okay, so don't worry about this, just simply I will copy this class name, and just I will come back in the style.css file, just simply I'll paste it here. Okay, so that's it. And obviously make sure that with this class name will be dot, and it will be like that with 100%, and it will just height 100. Okay, that's it. Okay, just I'll give this line like that, height vertical horizontal, and background color, and which type of background color you'll give this here, like that variable, and just simply type here primary color. Why primary color? Because we are cloning this Apple e-commerce like that here, and like that this color. Okay, so in the at first you will show that in this website, which website you will design, and just simply you will get this idea in this website, from this website. For that you will make a design this website step by step, and just to get idea. So display will be flex, and align item center. So justify contain space evenly, click path, and I will give this in the description below. Okay, so I'll skip this writing type here, just typing here. So because in the video length problem, for that, and just simply copy this and paste it here. Okay, so that's it. And I'll cut it here. Okay, that's it. And simply position relatives relative. Okay, just simply refresh in my browser. Okay, you will show that in this browser, in this website, and this is the curve and polygonal, like that. This is the code of polygonal curve. Okay, so that's it, and you will show that menu bar is here and icon is here. Okay, so just I'm going to start give this design of logo, and simply I will comment this logo. Dot logo, position absolute, top 3rem, and left will be same 3rem. Okay, so that's it, and refresh browser. Okay, you will show that curve will be just simply, oh no, okay, just here this is the class name logo, and simply then it will be logo I. Okay, so dot logo I. That means icon class name. Just simply type here font size and 10 rem. This website design will be really complexity, and you know that already. I'll color will be just RGB, simply 0, then 0, then alpha will be 0.8. okay, so that's it. Instead of logo, this logo is will be increase, size will be increase. Okay, so position is not get defined. Okay, just now I'm going to create another design of neighbor, and just now starting of neighbor start, and I'll comment this line at first like that dot neighbor, and you will show that, and otherwise you'll copy this copy this word and just simply paste it here, neighbor. Position will be obsolete, and top equal 3 rem, and simply right will be just 10%. That's it. Then neighbor link. Okay, no, then neighbor link. After that section, section is like that anchor tag. Oh, sorry, mistake it. Just like that neighbor, then link. Just simply copy this line, simply copy this class name and paste it here. That's it, easy, and it's no doubt like that anything of wrong in this style.css. okay, so that is the right way. Oh, here is a just see, and you will always use the second curly brace. So font size should be 2 rem. Display inline block, and make sure that it's semicolon every sentence in the it will be just simply transform just from 0.5 second. okay, just simply I'll come back in my browser and just simply refresh, and you will show that this is the neighbor section. okay, so it's like that, it's good, and design will be smooth. is the looking good and design obviously nice. Okay, so and you will show that in the icon center of the and neighbor will be middle, and neighbor is now middle. Okay, just I'll copy this and paste it here, and just simply I'll type here just that hover and use its second curly brace and transform like the scale that will be 1.5. So just copy this and paste it here into the neighbors or neighborings that's are equal. So just now I'm going to creating this design of cube like that cube ref. At first I'll like that simply comment this line cube, and to make sure that this comment is most important for a developer, and he will guess this line exactly what type of which this design and what type of design you will this, and he'll obviously give this idea in this comments. So comments is very important for every developer or every designer. So that's it, and just cube start. Okay, make sure that and you will remember this, keep your mind. Okay, at first just I will come back in the index.html and just simply I will copy this and dot then class, call this class and just simply use its second curly brace and just so when you will just simply copy this your class name, then it's no doubt you don't wrong in this sentence and making you don't wrong like that cube wrapper, and you don't forget it in the like that spelling mistake, and obviously that's the main, and this is the right way. So cube wrapper perspective perspective like that 100 ram, that's it, and this is the you just simply refresh your browser and you will show that nothing here, and just simply hover until menu bar will be always menu bar is now hovering. Okay, just now I'll give this cube design cube class name, and you will show that just here cube class name. Okay, so in this tutorial just now slow motion, and you will understand. For that I'll just type of slow motion, and just when I look editing this video, I don't any minute or any second skip, because you will learn this design and more easily and exactly, and when you will complete this tutorial series, and you will get idea on how you will design and how you any kind of template or any kind of website you can design easily. Okay, so for that I in this tutorial it's long, it will be long, so for that keep width will be like that 30 ram, and with height it's totally up to you, depend on you, so don't worry about this. And height it's really I just guess of idea about this, for that I use it. Transform style, transform style. Transform style, that means will be perspective 3D. So transform, again use transform, only transform. Rotate, rotate of x, first 0, then it will be rotate of y, like that, that's mean y, and it will be just 20-degree angle. Okay, and previously you will notice this rotate y, x, z, it like that angle. Okay, like the 20-degree angle, and you use it another rotate like that z, and it will be like that 0, obviously. Okay, then position, relative, so trough minus 2 rem, that's it. And simply use it another just transition, for type of transition you want, just I want it transform 5 second, transform 0.5 second. Okay, that's it. And okay, just I will come back in my browser, and simply I will reload this in my browser, and you will show it. Okay, so that's it, and this is the our menu bar section. And at first just I'll in this previous in this series, my in my previous tutorial, just I will show it. Just at first I will discuss about neighbor and how you will design this. Okay, so that's it, and you will show that control section. And now in this second section, we are creating this just a we are creating this like that background image section area, and front end and back side and control section. Okay, so that's it, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Okay, so today just now I will finish this tutorial. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to like this, like in my tutorial, then you will subscribe my YouTube channel, obviously. So I hope